There, in this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about creating a shared mailbox. And by the name itself, you're able to understand about the sharing mailbox. So it's a kind of a mailbox which you can provide rights to some users which can use the mailbox, and it will not be the separate mailbox to everyone. It will be a shared mailbox. Like if you want a particular group of people to be provide the mailbox rights, but you not wants to invest the mailbox on every user. So in that case, you can create a shared kind of mailbox where you can assign those people the mailbox. So you can give them a moderator right. You can give a kind of a rights like send as or a full access. So these are the two rights we have discussed. So you can give that mail rights to them according to whatever requirement is. So this is how shared mailbox is, and by default you can see whenever you used to create a resource mailbox, all the time the user will be remain disabled. Means obviously a user creates in the domain forest domain, so it remains disabled in this case as well. These mailbox user remain disabled in the forest domain. From the icon itself, you can able to see that in the particular recipient configuration that different type of mailbox I have created, and there are some certain icons as situated which are actually for those. So shared mailbox carries the different icon as well. That by icon itself you can able to check it out that yes, this is how it looks like, the shared mailbox. So yes, shared mailbox app, we have to provide the delegates for the shared mailbox, and shared mailbox is anyhow will be like the way it used to be like. But in EMC, like in Exchange Management Console, when you try to create a new mailbox, you used to have the four kind of mailbox. You used to create a four kind of mailbox, including the resources mailbox and individual mailbox, but you would never get the shared mailbox. So that type is basically allowed to create from EMS only. A little bit tweak is required. A certain command is needed, otherwise EMS will not, otherwise will not able to create in a graphical form. So we're going to learn about the EMS, via EMS, how we able to create a shared mailbox. A certain command is required in that case, and with the certain command to be able to write it down. So I'm just opening the EMS here, and then we will try to give the send as rights as well. Or you can assign that a particular user as well after creating the mailbox, or if you want a full access you can give the right as well. So what is the command will be in this case? Is the command is new, then hyphen mail box space hyphen user principal name, which is UPN, and the name of the mailbox, I'm saying shared mail at techengineertv.in. It's my domain. I'm closing it. Okay, space, then say space hyphen alias space in quotes shared mail This is what the name I'm providing, a shared mail space hyphen name space colon shared mail colon close, then space hyphen database. So at which database you want to use. My database 71 space hyphen organizational unit. So organizational unit in this case I'm using is accounts space then hyphen shared, because the mail type will be shared. So I'm hitting enter and start implicating. A new session will start with, and once it's done we will be able to check it out the mailbox, and we're going to check it out the particular mailbox. Okay, it has been done, and now we can check it out the mailbox, and put a refresh, and okay, a task is in background. So once concluded, we're able to see the shared mailbox. Yes, shared mail, and you can see that, as I mentioned, that every mailbox has some icon. It also has icon, alias is shared mail, recipient type details is shared mail, whatever we have put it out. And most importantly, this is what we have entered the details. Now you can give send as permission or full X permission. That is totally up to you. And as I mentioned, that icon, you can see two people out there, and they're carrying the one envelope, which is a sign that they're a shared mailbox. So I hope you learned something about creating a sharing mailbox. Thanks for watching.